Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you change your password in the Amazon shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the second option. After doing so, you should scroll down here and you will find here your account category, and right next to it you should click on the see all option. Now you should wait a little bit and scroll down once again, and here under the account settings category you will find the first option, which is login and security. After you press on it, you should wait until the new page loads in and scroll down a little bit further, and here you will see the password option, and right next to it the edit option. Just press on it, and all you have to do here is just write in your current password, then write in the new password and re-enter the new password. After you are done with all of that, all you have to do is just press down below save changes, and the new password will be saved. So yeah, this is pretty much all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.